Hey guys, it is New Year's Eve. I am in the car driving home from work, and I am going through a mental checklist of things that I need to accomplish this week, and that includes a couple of videos that I did not have the time to film earlier. This is going to be a short and sweet announcement, just to let you know that we will be on VW Family Homestead this Friday, January the 4th, for their Free 90 Free giveaway. They're doing this every Friday. Just started a couple of weeks ago. I think we will be their fourth. I believe we're going to be their fourth channel that they've highlighted. And basically how this works, if you're not already familiar, is they pick a small channel. They pick a video from that channel and they come up with a trivia question, and you answer that on their site after watching their video, and they randomly select somebody from all of those who put up a right answer and turn in a prize, or send you a prize. Prizes have varied. They've given out a cookbook, some seeds, some onion sets so far. They've got plans for more things. Some various channels that they will be featuring in the future have sent them some stuff to give away as prizes. I think they're working with a couple of companies locally, and who knows what else it'll be. But it's a really great program. Helps to get the word out for some other smaller channels. So more than likely you guys all know about VW Family, but if you don't, you should definitely go over and check it out this Friday or before. They got lots of great videos. I will put a link to their site here in the description as I post this video tonight, and hopefully all of you guys will partake. Thank you. I'm Andy.
I'm Tia.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell icon to subscribe so that you get notifications when we post new videos.
And don't forget the thumbs up.
Thanks.
Thank you.